Okay, hi students. So today we'll be learning how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution methods. So for this simultaneous equation, you can always use both elimination or substitution methods because both methods are applicable. So in this case, for this particular example here, you can refer to textbook page 82, work example 10, for another similar example on how to use substitution method to solve a simultaneous equation. So first step, for substitution method, you can choose either equations and make x or y the subject of the equation. That means you want to get x equals to something or y equals to something. So let me show you. So using equation 1, let me try to rearrange the equations to make x the subject of the equations. So 7x equals to 6 minus 10y. So I'm basically rearranging the term. After that, since I want to make x the subject, I need to divide by 7 for the entire equations. So x equals to 6 minus 10y over 7. So in this step, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to make x the subject of the equation. So making x the subject of the equation means I'm trying to make in such a way that x equals to something in terms of y. So some of you might ask, if I want to make y the subject of the equation, is it possible? It's possible as well. So you can try yourself. After that, you can let me know. So next, I'll label this as equation 3. So once I have equation 3, I will substitute this equation 3 into equation 2. So I substitute equation x equals to 6 minus 10y over 7 into equation 2. So in this case, my equation 2 is 7y minus 8x equals to 24. So I write down the equation as usual, 7y minus 8x. So for the x, I put a bracket equals to 24. So since x equals to this 6 minus 10y over 7, I will put this expression into the bracket. So 6 minus 10y over 7. Okay, let me write my 10 properly. 10y. Okay. So after that, since there's a bracket, I need to expand it out. So 7y minus 48 minus 80y over 7 equals to 24. So now I need to expand it out. So 7y minus 48. Let me write properly. So minus 48 plus 80y over 7 equals to 24. So now I have a fraction. Then I'll need to make the denominator the same. So I multiply the entire equation by 7 to remove the denominator. So in this case, I will make the denominator the same. So I'll get 49y over 7 minus 48 plus 80y equals to 24. So I'll simplify the numerator. So 49y plus 80x, no, plus 80y, it's 129y minus 48 over 7 equals to 24. Then I will cross multiply. There's an invisible one here. So I'll get 129y minus 48 equals to 7 times 24. So 7 times 24 is 168. So now I need to rearrange the term in order to solve the equation. So 168 plus 48 because from the second last step to the last step, I'm adding both sides by 48. So minus 48 plus 48 is 0. So 168 plus 48. So when you shift a term, the term will change its sign. So I need to simplify further. 129y equals to 168 plus 48. Give me 216. So y equals to 216 divided by 129. I'll get 1 and 29 over 43. So this is only to find the value of y only. Now I need to find the value of x. Okay, so since there's no space, let me drag further down. So to find the value of x, also the same thing like elimination method. Once you find the value of y, then you need to substitute into another equation to find the value of x. So I will substitute y equals to 1 whole and 39 over 43 into equation 3. So what is my equation 3? So you look back to the top. Equation 3 is x equals to 6 minus 10y. So since it's a y, I put a bracket over 7. So I put in my value of y, 1 whole and 39 over 43. So all I need to do is just to press in the calculator and you get the answer. So 6 minus 10 bracket 1 whole and 29 over 43 close bracket. So I get negative 10 whole, 32 over 43. Then now I need to divide by 7. So this will give me negative 1 whole and 23 over 43. So this is my value of x. So my x is equals to negative 1 whole 23 over 43. And my y is 1 over 29 over 43. This one is my final answer. So in the event that you want to check your answer, you can use a pencil. So let's use black color to check your answer. So please don't write this down in your main working because it'll be very confusing. Okay, so let's use the right column. Let's use the right column just to check answer. Okay, so how to check? All you need to do is just to put in the value of x and y and see whether they equate you to the same number or not. So let's use equation 1. So my equation 1, let's write down what is it first. 7x plus 10y So 7x plus 10y equals to 6. Okay, so 7, you put in the value of x, which is negative 23, no, negative 1 whole, 23 over 43, plus 10y, which is 1 whole 29 over 43. So you press into the calculator and see whether you get 6 or not. So 7 times negative 1 whole and 23 over 43 plus 10 whole multiplied by 1 whole and 29 over 43. Okay, so this number give me 6. So this means that my answer is correct. So you just have to check your answer. Don't need to show. Check your answer. Write in pencil. Okay, so this one is optional. Just to check whether you get the right answer or not. So if after you substitute the value of x and y into an equation, and they give you the same number on the right side, that means that you got the right answer. Thank you.